Yazi, I'm listening to people's opinions about the accident that occurred in Val involving a truck and a taxi driver. First of all, we both know both these two people are arrogant people. Abantu bama truck are arrogant, abantu bama taxi are way arrogant and undereducated in most cases. Abangilani, ba impatient, ba abangela bona. They're very selfish beings. Because most people now are discussing why the truck driver is wrong, more than the fact that lo mkhukhuvu womkhwepha womfana overtake imoto eziwu-4 ngenxa ye-arrogance ne-pride ezohamba emajiteni efike ukuthi mina ngiyadrive fethu ngi-overtake nje ngengingafiki lapho ngizofika ngesikhathi mina usho u-taxi driver uzoba into yokuchoma if kuthiwa isevayivile leya nto. If you look at that video, the taxi in front, Engusiyaya or Super 16, swerved to the left. The rules of the road say, akanane license ke lo mkhukhuvu kodwa uqhuba imoto. Ndiyamblame futhi no owner wala taxi mina funa kayena naye afine on top of that because umnika njani umuntu ongena license imoto yakhe ingena PDP yonke ezinto zidingekayo engekho approved for bana ibe iyahamba endleleni umnika njani but andikho lapho. Lona ke ngokuyasuka akazazi nezi rules zendlela because uqhola ukubona uqhutywa uthanda ukwazi ustart aphuma asuka athi ucima fama ngahamba ufika because ebesenzela unceba ngithixo uba makahamba ufika uyahamba ke overtake imoto eziyi4 yakhe yakhona phi lonto. You don't do that. The least you could do is overtake 2 cars or indicate for abamongene ziza kubrekela ezingezinye. Truck driver kandimbonayo he kept to the left. Izithi rules keep left pass right. He went further left as a truck. What do you know what? Because ndiyamvulela isikhala uzawuphephela ngapha uzawuphepha nolo ngaphayana athi keep left further lo ngaphayana nami ndithi keep left further lona akwazi ukuthi agqithe akwazi ubana athini akwazi uba angena apha ngaphambili. Uyayibona isikhukhuvu esi sesidenge somfana sidecide ke into abana no ndizawubalekela ndiyongena straight right. Who does that? Ngokubona kwami, truck driver did what he could and what was best. Maybe arrogance was present in this midst. Maybe he was angry and was pissed off, and the fact that he's in the right of way and whatever the case may be, what people are saying right now, fine. But he did what he thought was best at the moment because naye ube observant and also considerate of the people behind him. Because xa uzawubhreka especially uyitraki ubreaka awuzuhash breaker nje because ubona lento yenzeka lapha ngaphambili ne fine yena ngokucinga kwakhe mina kandianalyze mhlawumbe ndi-wrong uye waqonda okay ndingena kwelicala uyabona ndimvulela isikhala lo so uzazongena further kule lane yami uzawukwazi uba ahambe nalo umtata labhuti wesiyaya utshone kwelacala further left so lona ngokucinga kwakhe udriver mhlawumbe ubenawe besithi okay uyambona mosiba lo uyakuswevela so ispace siyavuleka nami ndikuvulela ngapha left ezisidenge sidecide yona bana masiye further right kwelicala udriver aphephela kulo naye bekumele bazathini truck driver because at the same time njengoba ebheka eceleni nje asimazi bakasifaka ngihazards okanye usifakile na at the same time ufuneka wonke umuntu ngakabe abe cautious ngenxa yomuntu omuncu yohana uzame all that he could wehlisa ispeed ke mhlambe okanye uhash breaker ngelo xesha or ebehamba ngale pace yakhe uqona okay mandingena apha left ndingene ngepace right ndihambele apha left lo uzobona into bana at least ndimvulele isikhala nalungapha uzobona into bana kuyonakala nakundiyonakala avulele lo ongabhahlanga. You understand? That's what he was thinking about. At the same time, he was maintaining thoughts of the cars that are behind him as cause traffic because kulandlela akukho nobubone awahamba emveni kwala truck awukwazi ufuneka uthe ncu uhamba emveni kwayo. You understand? So uzama ucingela into abana if ndiyabreaka ndibrekela lo because nobe bethiwa ubrekile ebezawubreaka and then ezinye imoto esingemva zithini. You understand? And then lona athini ke ngokayibreakayo uzawuthi angene kanjani because kaloku aziyeka ngokuma uhamba eziyana zizayo still the same distance would have happened then uzawufind a fault nakhona xa ivele wadecide uba uyabreaka ke ngoku uvele ame straight. You understand? But ke mhlawumbi impact might have not been a lot bekuzawubhubha loo taxi driver naba kweseceleni kwabo baka taxi driver but yena taxi driver ebesengesivinini we cannot now blame truck driver The logic behind this, I don't understand it. We can say that it could have braked, but ingqondo ayisebenzi normally xa kwenzeka into abnormal ngela xesha. I-rules you think, what am I supposed to do? What is going to be best? What is best right now is to protect the people behind me, is to protect my car, and also to protect the person that's coming. The things that I can do right now is to swerve on the side. That's what the person did. Was swerve further to the right further to the left, because you have to keep left. Those are the rules of the road. Keep left. He did that. Instead, uyongena amahlafahlafa ke nabantwana. Bekunani bahamba bayotshayisela lenye itaxi sike zibhekelana kuqala, because impact I don't think would have been the same compared to a truck. Because angazi noba ibihamba ngo-40 la truck, ngesa sivini nasengaso la taxi driver bekuzawulimala and bekhona abantu abazobhubha regardless. No bekuthiwa uyawabhreka, but la taxi driver bezamngena nge-impact and i-force mnamntu physics ke le force oze ngayo is going to go directly proportional to you back, and it will create the impact. Noba yena besehlisile speed, because ngoku abantu they are speaking in terms of speed salomuntu basikrophile asivelanga kumele ngaba siyavela. If ngoku kuya investigate ukuvela into bana speed salamuntu at least besithi 60 miles an hour, you understand? Sizama ukwehla se-reducer or mhlawumbe uyawasimaintaina ke kulo 60, rightfully so, because yena fa muhamba ngo-8, you understand? Ebesahamba ngespeed esi-right, nakhona ecingela people behind him, because akayazi bana yeyiphi imoto ezingangena ngaphansi. Uyabona nto leyana? This logic yobana siblame truck driver for me is nonsensical. It's really, really stupid. Because now he did all that he could, and he was in the right of way, and he tried by his all means dobana maga protected ababantu. The best that he could do, he did at that particular moment. Maybe a harsh breaker, but at the same time he calculated and thought of the people behind him, because as a situation in kwakhe ba ibisithini for us to make conclusions and say hayi be arrogant ngeske wa harsh breaker kwathi. Honestly, people will run their mouth. They run their mouth. That guy was driving into sihlezi sithatha into eyi-1 ngonoteksi. Unoteksi uzokumfinca apha athi awuzunditshayisa kakade ngemoto yakho. Xa somdicayidile into yobana ake ndizawutshayisa ketana ngoba namfuneka ndihambile, athi ubungandiboni uba ndiyeza. Ungena kanjani? Why un-infiltrator? Why ungalindi? Kuthiwa ngakho-patient. Kutheni uzibone ngathi ubaluleke more than me? It makes no sense.
Yazi amanye amacala angibona afuna amaphoyisa. Ngiyaphinda amanye amacala ngibona afuna amaphoyisa. You know, sometimes amaphoyisa kwamele asithembe njenge-community ukuthi umuntu meka wonile, especially azwise i-community ubuhlungu, athi awuthi simdedeleni bafuthu ngendele naye. Yabona le ntwana le quantum ebulala izingane lapha evala, angiyiboni indaba ukuthi ahamba ama-court bafuthu, mina angiyi-understand. Do you guys understand the pain ayikhosele labazali? You know, watching that video ngibuka loya mama with dress red, I know there's other parents abadabukelwe kabuhlungu, but I think sengizokhulumela into engiyibonile. Ngibona loya sisi loya akhala ngendlela eyisimanga. Kwamanje lo mfana lo ube driver, then I pick up ukuthi kuthiwa akana license. Umnikazi we-taxi bayamyeka. Umcasha kanjani lena? Because of manje company mokungenzeka something mina la ngisebenza khona mengenza iphutha and then bangithwesa icala ngayo court, ne company izongena emanyaleni because of bangicasha kanjani ngicala ama qualifications. That's number 1. Number 2, le case yalo mfana ibizwa lamagameni wesilungu abuya ngicake. Bamthweselela cala lele ela balithwalisa uJubju. I understand ukuthi asithi 5-10 years later lo mfana ngaphuma abulale izingane eziningi kanje. Ngithi noma bangamnike life sentence bafethu angicabanga ukuthi izopholisa inhliziyo zalabazali abalahlekelwe. And then ngizwe abantu balo bakhuluma hey truck ngabe inciphisile speed in guys, ama chance i-truck drive binawo or ama options bwamancane. Asiyeke indaba ukuthi bekaseleni yakhe, but sikhuluma nge-truck la, and le mhlambe nikhuluma ukuthi truck takes time to break. Angifuni ngiyakuphawula kakhulu kuyo, but mina ngithi ayikho leyo nto. Akekho wrong truck driver, it's just that yena uyayi-understand i-truck ukuthi injani. Akusona iskuta lesi, akunakuthi uzoya ku-left and then abuya iswinga ilethe ku-right, uthwele ngale move. La truck nga-jackknife yabulala iy'moto eziyi-4 ngesikhathi esi-1. If nifuna or benifuna yenze njengoba nina nibona ngakhona ukuthi hey ngabe truck driver ningamthwesa icala, angizwa lento whatever truck driver yenze ngalela langa, it's exactly what he had to do. But now I'm worried ngalo mfana. Lo mfana, do you guys understand ukuthi le ayihlukile ne-premeditated murder, ayihlukile nhlobo, because of lo mfana lo sacrificed the kids uku-right as a driver. Then instead of ubuyele lenini yakho, should anything happen, ayishaya iside lika-right, ubalekela ku-left, which simply means u-left uyaphuma emgwaqweni. Into esalayo is the passenger nasemuva. Hence ngibheke la usekhona akana ska akanani ngizwa abantu beka esibhedlela bekayeleni esibhedlela mfana akalimelanga mfana. So you sacrificed ingane ezinganga apparently bekuthiwe ushone 12, so nale 2 beku ICU isishonile, so 14 ingane ezi14 zonke zishonile because of inqumo ezistupid ezenziwe yilo driver. I understand if lo muntu lo ube transport ingane and at the same time a driver, let's say we are rank, you can't beat peak hour u transport abantwana akukhonakala. Ngeke nga-transport abantwana ulanda abantwana nge-peak hour, noma ungathi uzama ukugijimisa imoto kanjani, moceda ukudropa bonke labantwana peak hour isiphelile. So I understand ukuthi bekagijima jahe kuphi kwenzekani, and ukhomba ukuthi or into enza ukuthi ngithi nomnikazi waleya quantum kwamele akayiphendulele lento iyamthinta naye kancanyana. Lo mfana uyambona ukuthi kusho khona ukuthi driving akahluzile kahle. Khona ama-taxi ayi2 adimeka abona ukuthi lo mfana lento lesinquma sithathile si-wrong ahlehlaze ngapha, kusho khona ukuthi bayamvumela ukuthi buye lenini yakho. Uyala sesiyabona ukuthi lento yenzile ubulima but buye, but he chose ukusacrifice ingane. Hayi bafowethu, ezinye lezi mina ngazi ukuthi uyakwakhe ejele kuyo yazi ngifisa ngathi angathi bekafika ngale ngaphakathi athola abantu abathanda ingane abazosho ukuthi usibulalela ingane. Akumelanga bambulale manje lo mfana, kwamele bamtorture kancane nje daily. Lento imhlukumeze mengithi kancane ngisho ukuthi bamtsiphe bamiyeke, kwamele ahlukumezeke almost every day. Yazi torture lokuthi azashona after 10 years, ashone azwile alenta yenze a 22-year-old. Ay no amanyala bafethu nina laba nithi i-truck nayo wrong ayikulungile bafethu. Lento yokuthenga ama-K53 izosinika inkinga, yini enisinika inkinga emgwaqweni. Abantu ba arrogant la endleleni if you drive. Nama truck driver nokuba arrogant. Lento ifana naku traffic or convoy. Sinokuyibalekela size ngaphambi kwama-truck. Ama-truck while ashiye ispace between imoto ephambi kwakhe naye ngezathu, then thina singena phambili. Then ama-truck mawasishayisile sifuna ukukhomba ama-truck ukuthi ama-truck adrive ngaphi. Iyafana nokuthi uhambe emva kwe-truck, ngeke uhambe emva kwe-truck udlale bumper to bumper. Hayi bafowethu, hayi ngayibuhlungu lento, ayibuhlungu futhi angifuni ukucamba amanga, ibuhlungu kodwa ke sekwenzekile noma singalithetha lize lifike kuphi. Ingane iphinde sibuyile, but mina ngisasho khona amanye ama-case okwamele bathi njengoba lo muntu ahlukumeza umphakathi, cela umphakathi uke udile naye. Ngeke uyise ingane ngiyaphinda but lo mfana bokwamele ashiswe ngethaya. Angazi abantu baseval mhlambe bebasazubuhlungu. Lo mfana bokwamele nje on the scene before kuzofika amaphoyisa ube nje sebamuthe bhada kancanyana. Khona esinye isithombe la abonakala khona ahlezi phansi deke, so abuke amanyala wayenzile. Ngicabanga ingane zethu zihamba ngama-transport ukuthi angazi nokuthi into enje mengingathiwa ngiyafunelwa bekuyoba njani. Angisho ukuthi ngiyi-steering and angisho ukuthi labazali abayenzanga kahle, cha, kodwa ngiyasho ukuthi njengomphakathi lo mfana bokwamele nje indaba yakhe siyibambe ngemfaduko. Indaba yakhe inkulu ngizwise ubuhlungu kakhulu, ngizwise ubuhlungu kakhulu and ngizwela nabazali bale ingane ubuhlungu. Lento kuyoba inxeba la umzali azayoshona, yazi ukuthi lento ukwazi ukudepress umuntu azashone. Abafethu anenzeni kahle, no anenzeni kahle, anilungiseni, anihleleni into zenu kahle. This is too much.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are reacting to the story esasevale la kwendeke khona ingoti between a truck and a taxi, and bantu banemqondo lengafani. People are just saying ukuthi some people are saying ukuthi they feel sorry for the driver. It's not like uvuke ekseni thinking ukuthi namhla ngiyobulala 14 bantwana, namhla ngoba ku accident, namhla ngiyolahleke ngiyobulala bonke labashana lengihamba nabo. It was a mistake when liphutha lelimkhostile and leliyomhonza impilo yakhe yonke guys, yonke basically lo mfana ufa phila. But there are people who are saying ukuthi he was wrong, he was careless. Bomageza vele hlezi babhetha, one bengana license kana PDP ubathwala njani bantwana besikolo. Some people are just saying ukuthi kufanele ajeze, he was careless and he must be arrested, ayoboshwa and he must rot in jail, regardless ukuthi bantu bambone akhali ngandolo. Bantu bayasho nje ukuthi ukhala nje ngobe sowugaqele, but wayengaze ngaqabange kwenda into le right. What was he thinking uma overtake imoto le D4 enzaweni labona kahle khona ukuthi ngeke akhone ku overtake? Wathi mase kabona ukuthi sowusengingeni waavika ngebantwana ukuthi itruck ayishayise bantwana kusenzena. So some people are just saying ukuthi akahamba yobolele ejele. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.